To enhance your gaming experience in Baldur's Gate 3, adjusting the graphics settings can significantly improve visual quality. Follow these steps to increase the graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game's settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the main menu. Look for the Options or Settings tab and click on it to open the Game Settings menu. Step 2. Select Graphics Settings. Within the Options menu, find the Graphics section. This area contains all of the settings related to visual quality, including resolution, texture quality, and effects. Step 3. Adjust resolution. Look for the resolution setting and select a higher resolution if your monitor supports it. Higher resolutions provide better clarity and detail in the game. Step 4. Modify quality settings. Explore the quality settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Increase these settings to enhance the overall visual fidelity of the game. Be mindful of your hardware capabilities to avoid performance issues. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save and apply the changes. Exit the settings menu and start or resume your game to experience the improved graphics. By following these steps, you can enjoy a visually stunning experience in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!